Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Harnett County, southwestern Wake County, eastern Chatham County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles west of Angier to 8 miles southwest of Fuquay-Varina, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Fuquay-Varina, Angier, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Lake Wheeler, and New Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett, and Wake. Here is a special weather